64 Impala wagon. It's a 383 stroker. It's a Magnum 256 6-speed, 390 gears, 30 spline axle, C-clip eliminators. Just got all the full leather upholstery. Got done on that about 2 weeks ago. Just a good daily cruiser kind of thing. Still gets 26, 27 miles on the interstate with the 6-speed. About 18, 19 miles around town. Just a good cruiser, man. Nothing really spectacular. Like the old patina look, because you don't have to worry about shining or polishing. Get as many people come look at it as you do the shiny stuff. Still just fun to drive. Nothing major to it, but kicking it around and having a good time. It's a 97 Camaro motor. We did a stroker kit on it. 430 over. I finessed the heads a little bit, whatever. It's got a little 510 cam in it, a little 600 Holly. It's a good little run. It's got 340 horsepower at the back tires. Like I say, with the 6-speed, it pulls pretty good.
So you mentioned you went on the power tour. Tell me about that.
Quite a few power tours. Here again, great time as far as the interstate runs, whatever. First one we went on, we broke down 9 out of 10 days. That's the one we always talk about. Throwed the motor, throwed number one out of the side of the motor on the way home. Left out at 4 o'clock out of Louisiana, and sat for 6 hours on the side of the interstate. I had one of my buddies go get my truck and trailer, come pick me up. I drove the rest of the way home that day, and next weekend pulled the motor out of it, put another motor back in it, put it back on the road. I got the leather done. I just got it back a couple weeks ago. Don Gustafson up in Salisbury did it. It's all leather, everything throughout. It's got foam in the seats. Redid the headliner. That's the material I picked out for the headliner. Just did all new carpet. Got about $700 in the carpet. Everything's leather throughout. I'm just going to say it's not cheap to do it, but it's well worth it. Everybody gets in and smells the seats. That's a big thing. Anytime you come out and meet car people, bike people, I work on some bikes on the side, whatever. I know quite a few of the motorcycle guys up here. The same people is into the same things. You come out and meet new people, meet old people, still talk about the same stuff. Keep up with who's done what to their cars. Look at all the new stuff that they've done to them, or see what everybody else has bought in the past. If I come up here, I got quite a few different ones. We'll come up and drive a different one every time we can. Just coming up and seeing different people and keeping up with everybody.